Welcome. In this video I will show you how to create a suitable preset for FPS gaming on your Logitech G305 X mouse. Let's start by launching the G-Hub application on our computer, and first thing that we have to do is add a gaming profile to our mouse. So go to Profiles, click Add Games and Apps, then find your FPS game on the list. If you don't see your game on the list, you have to simply relaunch this program, then go back into this menu and then select it right here. Well, unfortunately I don't have any FPS game installed right now, so I'm just gonna be using the default profile. Now the next thing that we're gonna have to do is adjust the DPIs. So let's go to our mouse. Now in DPIs, we can simply use the first person DPI preset. So we have the DPI shift, the DPI default one, and the maxed out value. If you want to have more DPIs, you can of course enable these two, and you can adjust them to your needs, to the surface on which your mouse is standing. And also make sure to select wireless report rate to 1000 Hz. Now one important thing in FPS is that we would most probably want to have some sniper DPS, which is basically this option right here, but we don't want to switch between DPSs in order to slow it down temporarily while we are scoping with the sniper rifle. So in order to adjust this value, we're gonna have to go in order to set it up for ourselves, we're gonna have to go to assignments. Now let me set all the assignments I have here to default. Okay, now we can either use these keys, as they are, I think, the least used ones in FPS shooters, to assign our DPI shift, and also we can assign the other one to default DPI. To do that, we have to select the mouse, select the key, and then go to System. Now we're gonna have to search for shift, and we have DPI shift. Let's assign it here. Now if we hold down this key, it will slow down our DPI temporarily, and if you want to quickly switch back to your default DPI, you can find DPI in System, find default DPI and select it for this value. Now if you press this key once, you will get to default DPI. Then if you press this one, you will increase your DPI, and then pressing either this or this will if you press this after that, you will slow down your DPI. So yeah, basically use this one to set the default DPI, this one for speed up, and this one for shift, for sniper scoping. Okay, I think in LightSync we don't have to adjust anything. LightSync is completely up to you, and basically that's it. You can also optionally select the XY split and adjust the DPI separately for X-axis and Y-axis. To differentiate them, you have to unlink this link and set the values separately. But I think for most users, the default first person would be more than okay. And that's it. Thank you for watching this video. If it helped you, please consider subscribing to our channel, leave us a like and a comment below, and I'll see you in the next one.